Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to play Neon. Now Neon is a duelist agent, meaning if you're playing Neon you'll have to, do the entries for your team. Now that's what a duelist is. You're a self-sufficient entry fragger that should always get the entry for your team. Now let's go over her abilities. She's got Fast Lane, which is this one. This Fast Lane can go as far as you want or as short as you want, depending on how up or high or lower your crosshair is. Then you got Relay Bolt. This is basically a stun. Now if I stun myself, as you can see, it stuns me. Now this stun is very nice because it bounces. Well, that wasn't a good example, but like, yeah, it bounces. So if you're clearing out a corner, you can just do this. It's gonna clear out the entire corner. And then you've got the high gear. Basically it's just this, you're gonna run in high speed, and every time you press your mouse 2 key, you're gonna slide. Now this slide is in any direction of your WASD key, just like Jet. You know how Jet can dash forward, backward, left and right. The same goes with Neon slide. You can go straight, dash to the left. You can go straight, dash to the right. You can obviously dash to the front. And the problem is I don't know how to dash to the back. Now you can do it, but it's very tricky, and I personally can't. I'm not a duelist player, so yeah. And finally you got this bolt, which is basically, I'm pressing C over and over again, but it does damage. So if I shoot the head, 54. Well, if I do the body, it's 2 times 36. I mean 2 times whatever equals to 36. So yeah,
Go.
that's about it. Honestly, I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick tutorial in the range on how to play Neon, against players, but over here it's gonna be boxed. So yeah. Wait, right? That's cool.
This way! Watch out! Take this! Here we go! Down!
So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.